Autotrophs, they make their food by using simple materials like carbon dioxide, water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So this process is called photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, what are the products that are made? It's called glucose, or you can say a sugar named glucose, and with this oxygen is released. For this process, sunlight and chlorophyll is must. In absence of any of these conditions, this process is not going to take place. Now, during this process, there is a conversion of one energy form into another one. So, कौन सी energy किसमें transfer होती है या convert होती है? Solar energy, it converts into chemical energy, and this chemical energy is in the form of glucose molecules. Whatever synthesized food is there, it will be distributed to different parts of the plant. बनता ये process जो होता है, this takes place in leaves, but later on this is transported to different parts of the plant. Now, whatever materials that are required for this process, how do plants get these materials? सबसे पहले कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की जरूरत होती है, and this carbon dioxide they get through small pores present on the underside of the leaf is called stomata. So you can say exchange of gases takes place from stomata. Carbon dioxide stomata के through अंदर enter होती है, and oxygen it comes out through the stomata. And water and minerals, these are absorbed by the leaves. These are absorbed through their roots. Chlorophyll, that is already the part of leaf, and sunlight, it falls on the leaves. Now, the factors that affect photosynthesis. Some factors are there that can affect the rate of photosynthesis. First is the intensity of the light. यानी कि लाइट कितनी तेज है, उसकी इंटेंसिटी क्या है. As the light intensity is increased, the rate of photosynthesis will be increased almost linearly. यानी कि up to a limit, जितनी इंटेंसिटी बढ़ेगी उतनी ही फोटोसिंथेसिस की स्पीड भी बढ़ेगी या उसकी रेट भी बढ़ेगी. But after that maximum, it will be limited. There is no effect of intensity on the rate of photosynthesis. Next factor is nature of light. As you know that light is made up of 7 colors, and out of that 7 colors, blue and red color that affect the rate of photosynthesis, and in the presence of blue and red light, the rate of photosynthesis will be maximum. Otherwise it will remain moderate, लेकिन कुछ पर्टिकुलर कलर की प्रेजेंस में इसकी रेट कम हो जाती है. Next factor is the amount of carbon dioxide and water. If these are available in the proper amount or in the good amount, the rate will be higher. लेकिन अगर इसकी poor availability हो, the rate will be lower. Next is the temperature. In the photosynthesis, 2 types of reactions are there called light reaction and dark reaction. So, generally, there is no effect of temperature on the light reaction, but it affects dark reaction, and it depends on the situation. As you know, the result of photosynthesis is glucose, a type of sugar. This sugar is made up of 3 types of elements: carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. But you know that from plants we are getting different types of component. We are getting protein also, we are getting fat also, and carbohydrate in the form of starch also. तो ये सब उस sugar से कैसे बनते हैं? Later on, the sugar is converted into different forms. So the first form is starch. बहुत सारे ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल बॉन्ड होकर स्टार्च बनाते हैं, एंड दिस स्टार्च इज स्टोर्ड इन डिफरेंट पोर्शंस ऑफ द प्लांट. Second, for the formation of protein, nitrogen is necessary, and this nitrogen is provided to the plant in the form of different soluble salts, and that we make it available in the form of different fertilizers like nitrate, urea, ammonium sulfate. जब ये हम सॉइल में मिक्स करते हैं, these elements are absorbed by the roots, जिसमें नाइट्रोजन भी होता है, and later on this nitrogen is used in the synthesis of protein. So इस फॉर्म में हमें प्लांट से प्रोटीन भी अवेलेबल होता है. Then you know we are getting fat also from the plant like groundnut, sesame, mustard, olive. These all kinds of fruit or seeds, they contain oil, और oil is a type of fat. तो ये fat का synthesis भी किससे होता है? Later on glucose it convert into different forms, and out of that the one is the fat.